Yo, what's up guys, it's Hal the Smiler here. Welcome to another Discord video. Today I'm going to be showing you the best minigame bots to add to your server to engage members in activities and whatever else you want to do with them. So let's get straight into this. These are in no particular order. Before we start, I did make a new Discord, so if you do fancy joining that, please go ahead, link in description. And the link to add all these bots for your server will be in the description, because I'm not going to be showing me going onto Google and adding them. So check the description. Let's get on with it. Alright, so the first one is Idle Miner. As you can see, I already added it because we had a failed recording. But this is a Minecraft themed bot, and basically the aim of the game is to sell stuff and get currency and upgrade pickaxe and backpack. So what you want to start is you just want to do that, and as you can see my backpack is full, so I'm just going to do sell. I'm not going to be showing all the commands obviously because there's loads, but once I've got all that money now, so what I can do is up P, that upgrades my pickaxe. Can do that. That's for my backpack. You can do multiple as well, as you can see. I'm pretty sure it's crashed because the bot sometimes crashes. Okay, it didn't crash, but you can do CD and it shows you all your cooldowns. You can do hunt, fish, and quiz. And as you can see, I got a chest out of that fish. So that's easy, that's B. As you can see, I got another chest. And then you can just open these. So open, common, or whatever. And there you go. Sometimes from the hunt command you get pets. And it's just basically a Minecraft themed bot, but economy bot. So it's pretty simple. I'm gonna leave on the screen some of the basic commands that you can do to play the game, and yep, on to the next one. Right, so the next one we're going to be talking about is Pokécord. So this is a Pokemon themed bot, and the first command you want to do is P redirect, and then make sure you do make a channel for this, otherwise you'll just get Pokemon spawns in every channel. So now all spawns will spawn here, so I'm pretty sure there has to be some text in here, as you can see. So it spawns Pokemon, and you just do P-catch, whatever it is. And I can't spell, but I don't know anything about Pokemon, so I'm not going to be able to do much, and I haven't used this bot. But to get started, you just do P! Star, and yeah, I'm gonna leave some of the basic commands on screen, because even though I know nothing about this bot, I've seen people use the basic commands. And yeah, just make sure you've done that. And on to the next one. Alright, so the next bot is UnbelievaBoat. So you want to make a channel called Economy or something, and want to get started just doing !help. That'll show you the commands list and the support server and whatever else you need to do. So personally, I'd change the prefix to something else because it's got the same prefix as me6. So I'm just going to change it to slash. And here we go. So you can do /work. That gains you instant cash. This is an economy bot. This is not the default symbol. You can actually change it. So /set-currency. And then put an emoji. It can be an animated, it can be from a different server, it can be anything. So let's just do this. And now if we do /bal, which shows you how much money you've got, as you can see, it says I've got 233 YouTube logo. And /lb shows to the leaderboard. You can do /slut like that, but that's NSFW, so I'm not going to show that on YouTube. And then you can do /crime. And I haven't set the cooldown, so that reminds me, set dash cooldown, and it shows you all the options. So set dash cooldown, crime, 30 seconds. Now I can do it, crime, and there we go. So you either fail or you either lose money or you gain money, and then you can create a shop, as you can see. So you can just do whatever and create an item, and then once you've created items, people can do /shop. Obviously not name the item /shop, but yeah, I'll leave the commands on the screen and on to the next one. Right, so the next bot is Ren. Now, this is about the 5th time recording this clip because I had to censor someone's status. But yeah, so to get started off, you can just do .cd, and if you need help, just do .help. But this is an economy bot with a twist. Obviously, it's a lot more fun because like you can collect materials and stuff. You'll have to start off by crafting a fishing rod, a pickaxe, an axe, and whatever. But yeah, so you can do a lot of things with this bot. As you can see, that's all the stuff I've got. I've been playing this bot for a while now, and this bot transfers between servers just like Idle Miner. So if I've got all this stuff on this server, if I go to a different server, I'll still have that stuff because it's just one game. So yeah, you do need 10 human members to add this bot, so make sure you've got that. And I'll leave some of the basic commands on screen right now. And yeah, on to the next one. Alright, so the last bot we're going to be talking about is Countr. Now, obviously, there is other bots like Dank Meme, Gambling Bot, whatever. But I haven't really used them bots, so I don't know anything about them. I'm just doing the ones that I know about. So, you're just going to make a channel called Counting for this, and this is a counting bot, so it'll make it so you can type. So, basically, you type, say I type 1, someone else would have to type 2. So, I can't type 2 messages in a row, they can't either. And it's just continuous counting. So as soon as it's in, you just do c-setup and then hashtag the channel. Maybe that is not the right command. Hang on. Okay, so there we go. You do c!link, and that is the only command that you need to do. So obviously you can do help and stuff, and yeah, there's no need for me to put commands on the screen, but you start off with 1, and as you can see, if I try and type 2, it won't let me, it'll auto-delete it. So, just make sure members aren't editing messages, because, there we go, oh, so it does do that. So, if someone edits a message, it will delete it, and it will tag you with the number that you put. So it's a really good counting bot. And only problem is you can't change the topic because it just keeps resetting it. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy the video. I just realised in one of the other clips someone had a status, so I'm gonna have to censor that status. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy the video. If this did help you, make sure to leave a like. Please subscribe, we are so close to 1.5k subscribers, it would mean a lot, I'd really appreciate it. Join the new Discord, as you can see, I'll leave the link in the description. And comment what you want to see next, tutorials, Fortnite, Discord, I don't mind. I'll see you in the next one, peace.